Hello, I am Anita Temblor Andueza, taking up organic agriculture production in situ at Joros Farm. Today, I will show you on how to prepare a potting media. Potting media has a ratio of 1:1:1. 1 part of compost, 1 part of topsoil, and 1 part of carbonized rice hull. Mix all the components. After mixing, put 2 tablespoons of IMO to 1 liter of unchlorinated water. Mix the solution. Water the potting mixture. Mix until you arrive on the desired moisture content of your potting medium. Get the seedling tray and fill it with potting media. Scrape the excess potting medium to evenly distribute in each hole. Put another seedling tray on top of your prepared medium to produce holes. Now, I will be sowing lettuce seeds. Put 1 seed per hole until you completed all the holes. Make sure that you put the seed at the center of the hole. Cover and wait for the seed to germinate. The first two that will arise are the cotyledons. Wait for the true leaves to come out. Then, it is the time for me to transplant the seedling. Thank you for watching and happy planting!